One of the world's most obscure digital tokens, tied to the Cardano blockchain, has just surpassed other top altcoin currencies to become the world's third largest digital currency as network developers look to capitalize on the global boom in decentralized finance. Hey guys, welcome back to the future of money. Today, we are going to talk about Cardano and NFTs. Before we get into the video, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. On cryptocurrency exchanges such as CoinSwitch, Kuber, and others, Cardano's native coin ADA has defied a major price crash warning to reach an all-time high, surpassing the previous record. The ADA USD exchange rate surpassed $2.56 for the first time, capping a 154.54% price increase that began on July 20. What's Cardano's game plan? How is it going to dethrone number 2 Ethereum? To establish Cardano as a legitimate player in decentralized finance, or DeFi, the Alonzo upgrade will add smart contract functionality to the blockchain's code. Beginners are attracted to ADA because of its relatively low price and the fact that it is marketed as an Ethereum killer, despite its relatively low price. As a result of Cardano's still relatively low price and promising future, it's no surprise that it's a crypto world favorite. But hey, what are smart contracts? Smart contracts, self-executing agreements between buyers and sellers, allow Cardano to grow steadily while Ethereum, Cardano's main competitor, continues to dominate the rapidly growing $100 billion decentralized finance sector. But despite Cardano's lack of actual use cases, its market capitalization is more than 4 times that of Solana's $20 billion market capitalization. Due to the speculators and an extremely transparent development team, Cardano has practically come back from the dead. These smart contracts, also known as blockchain contracts, are distinguished by the way in which they ensure that the two parties involved in the transaction are on the same page. Immutability is one of the most notable features of a self-executing contract. A blockchain's inability to be altered or reversed is implied by this statement. They're a type of contract between two or more parties that don't rely on a third party to monitor or enforce the agreement, similar to traditional contracts. So that ownership can be established and transferred, the blockchain network maintains an unalterable transaction record that is both visible as well as secure and unchangeable. It is now much easier to discuss and apply for contracts, and the entire edit history of the deal is made publicly available to all parties. For example, people who use decentralized finance, also called DeFi, can lend or borrow money and earn interest in an account without the need for traditional middlemen such as banks. They are becoming more common as a result of blockchain usage becoming more widespread. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and ADA, as well as other tokens, recently rose in value, pushing the cryptocurrency market to surpass $2 trillion for the first time since the mid-May crash. The current market share for NFTs on Ethereum's network is a colossal majority. In the meantime, the amount of power required to run this multi-million-dollar market is negligible. It only consumes about 1% of the total Ethereum network's power. In terms of market capitalization, Cardano is the third largest cryptocurrency, behind only Ethereum and Bitcoin. So what are the factors which drive Cardano to new heights? Users on this network are devoted, and they can cause Ethereum to lose its grip on such a popular industry. This is why investors are driving the ADA coin to new heights. ADA's smart contract rollout, according to Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, will support decentralized applications from developers as long as they properly implement Cardano's native programming language, Plutus. The underlying infrastructure to run those things is now operational and running, not on a testnet, but running on a mainnet, which means that if you have Plutus code for your application, come the 12th, if you can submit it and get it running, it will run on the mainnet. So smart contracts are here. Congratulations! How to get NFTs on Cardano? You still haven't missed the boat yet. If you want to catch the NFT boat on Cardano, all you have to do is this. You need to have a Cardano wallet, such as Daedalus or Yoroi, to buy NFTs on Cardano. You'll need to download Daedalus onto your computer. For the NFTs and fees, you will need ADA, which you can get from the biggest exchanges like Binance and Kraken. Data that shows an upward trend in daily volume is desirable, and a daily scatter chart can help you determine whether average selling prices are increasing over time. Even though you shouldn't buy NFTs just because they might increase in value, at least you can see what projects are actually attracting interest and start your journey from there. Let's say you're looking for the most popular projects. When you click on a project, you'll see the interest sales and average selling price for that particular project. Visit the CNFT website. It's easy to find the cheapest NFTs for around 3,500 ADA, all the way up to the most expensive JPEG at 5 million ADA. cnftanalytics.io is a great resource for finding out more about these NFTs. Visit the site and choose which project you want to buy. Details about the project will be displayed. As you can see, sales and average selling prices for SpaceBuds are on the rise. There are also trades and prices at the bottom, which can help you if you want to make a bid with prices currently averaging around 4,000 ADA each. What are the most popular Cardano projects? With almost $4 million in ADA spent on them since launch, SpaceBuds is the clear winner. Now, of course, you can choose which style you prefer, but sales data doesn't lie over time. To see all the 10,000 different variations, some rarer than others depending on the animal and the gadget they're holding, you can go to the SpaceBuds website. There are about 10,000 right now, but as we've seen in the past with successful NFT drops, there may be different designs and spin-offs that come later on in time. SpaceBuds project is on Twitter, so you can keep track of new drops and see if you can get them on day one. Let's see how Cardano is doing. Cardano rallied to a new all-time high of $3.16 after dipping below $1.50 for most of the first half of 2021, following the announcement that smart contracts will be coming to its platform. ADA is currently trading at $2.58 according to CoinGecko. In just 1 year, it has risen 1,300%, outpacing other cryptocurrencies such as Binance Coin, which has risen 1,030%. Ether, which has risen 330%, and Bitcoin, which has grown 59%. For its part, however, the token's value is highly susceptible to the enormous volatility of the larger cryptocurrency market. Current prices are rebounding, but they're still hovering around a key resistance level. Failure to close decisively above this level could trigger a downtrend. Cardano's price has risen 15% from its swing low on September 8 to where it is now, $2.55. While important, the $2.55 resistance barrier will help ADA decide which way to go. A 4-hour candlestick that closes decisively above it is likely to start an uptrend. Investors can expect Cardano's price to rise to $2.74 if the bulls close above $2.55. The 10% uptrend will be completed, however, if this barrier is overcome and the $2.82 ceiling is retested. But market participants can expect a minor pullback before another impulsive run. Whatever the case, the Cardano price must overcome the $2.55 resistance barrier and turn it into a support level before it has any chance of surging higher. Failure to do so could result in a return to the immediate support level at $2.40, which would be a significant setback. For the market to resume its upward trend, a resurgence of buying pressure at this level could be the deciding factor. The bullish thesis will be invalidated if the selling pressure pushes ADA to a decisive close below $2.40. Accordingly, investors can expect the so-called Ethereum killer to crash by 8% and retest the support level at $2.21 in this scenario. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new level, so all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide-spectrum research. This month's update will cause intelligent contracts to its blockchain, and more investors may get interested in it. A price rise won't be surprising. Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.